Hello, my name is Tracy Wooten, and today I'll be demonstrating the model training method on the topic of teaching senior adults the basic computer skills. Modeling focuses on developing behavioral and interpersonal skills. Behavior modeling lets people observe others to discover how to learn something new. It is more often used in a combination with other techniques. Modeling training method is a practice behavior through role play or some other kind of simulation technique. The trainee first observes the behavior modeled and then reproduces the behavior on the job. Create an outline of your training curriculum, obtaining the objective and the goal of your training. Design your training with the 6 facets in mind: explanation, interpretation, application, perspective, empathy, and self-knowledge. Start the training by giving a short outline of the course and introduce yourself with an attention grabber. An example of an attention grabber for older adults. Are you scared, anxious, lost, or maybe closed off to the concept of technology? You're not the only one. Showing empathy to the audience will relieve some of the apprehension that they may be experiencing. Making the connection with the trainer. For some senior adults, being able to use the computer correctly, they must have the knowledge of what each of parts of the computer station is and the functions. In this instance, the traditional seating is best choice for this training, allowing a trainee to have an individual station with different parts of the computer for demonstration. Begin the training with a lecture providing instruction, visuals, paper, pencil, and any devices or equipment needed to perform the activities during the session. Explain each component and the function in detail as you have your students identify the parts of the computer with you. The examples are slides 9 through 12. Once you have modeled all the components and demonstrated the functions, recap the lesson by allowing students to identify the parts of the computer with a short activity. A dialogue activity, a discussion activity, and a feedback activity. In the modeling training method, there are advantages and disadvantages of using this method. A couple of advantages to using this method is visual-oriented learners obtain more knowledge by watching other people. With modeling, people acquire attitudes, beliefs, and values and learn how to perform certain behaviors by observing others. Trainees are more motivated to model behaviors that they know they will have to demonstrate in the future with different situations. A disadvantage for this method: if your trainer is more of an audio learner, then the model method may not be the best course of action. A good designer will always have a backup plan. This concludes the model training method for teaching senior adults basic computer skills. Thank you for watching.